Hey, what's up? Ed and I are heading over to our Blue River project here in Littleton, Colorado right now. We're going to go meet with the homeowner, Fernando, do a quick tour of the basement, and show you guys all the cool features that we put in this one. Hey! You made it, finally!
Well, when we bought this house brand new, we knew at some point we were going to finish the basement. We had no idea exactly what we wanted to do, but in our minds, we had an idea of what we really wanted. We must have spent hundreds of hours reviewing different basements, getting ideas, watching shows on HGTV about different basement jobs. The more we looked at, the more confused we really got as to what really we wanted. And so then we started looking at companies that specialized in finishing basements in Colorado. I went through, I don't know how many, 20, 30, 40 different companies' websites, and I read Google reviews. I went on the Better Business Bureau looking for issues that maybe I could eliminate certain companies, and I came across Elevation Basements. As I kept looking at other companies, I kept coming back to Elevation. Their website, the pictures that they had, and not just the pictures, but they had actual videos of their work. I saw, I believe it was a video by Evan where he took a project start to finish. I saw another video by Ed, and it was actually a 3-video series where he started with a completely unfinished basement, did another video halfway through the project, and another one at the very end. And that's when I told Tanya, out of all of the companies, I am most impressed by this company. We decided to get estimates. That was on a Sunday, I believe, that I submitted those requests. And on Monday morning at 8 o'clock, I got a call from Evan. He was the very first one to call me. At that point, I realized that Evan was probably the guy. He was just so excited to just talk to me about my project. I kind of gave him a layout of our basement and gave him some ideas as to what we thought we wanted. He had a notepad and started taking notes, and we agreed to meet a couple of days later. And sure enough, he brought his notepad with the notes that he had taken from our conversation that morning. We had a couple of other estimates, and no one was nearly as thorough as Evan. Not only did Evan listen to us, he gave us ideas. He added his own touches and his creativity. My favorite part of the basement is everything. It's hard to pick just one area of the basement. I mean, the gym is phenomenal. It's where I exercise, it's where I practice drums. I love the home theater. We come down here in the evenings and watch sporting events, watch movies. When we have get-togethers, we play pool in the wet bar area. We entertain. The bedroom with the additional bathroom was phenomenal when we had family from out of town. They loved being down here. So really, we love everything about the basement. Our experience was phenomenal. Every day we would get updates ourselves coming down here, but once a week we would have a phenomenal summary from the project manager, Jose, who would tell us what had been accomplished that week and what was coming up the following week, as well as if there was a delay for whatever reason, if a material did not arrive on time, and when we could expect certain subs to do certain work. The process from start to finish was very smooth. There were absolutely no hiccups whatsoever. Do your homework, that's my advice. Look at different companies and look at Elevation Basements and compare the workmanship and the attention to detail. Read the Google reviews. That was something that was it was so authentic and so true. Having gone through the whole process, reading all of the reviews, all the accolades that customers had given elevation basements. And then having gone through everything, I 100% agree with everything that others had said. Anyone who's interested in having their basement finished should contact Elevation Basements because their work was impeccable, outstanding. We absolutely love our basement. There's not a single thing about the basement that we are not 100% thrilled about.